0 degrees and 90 degrees. So before going into these trigonometry ratios for 0 and 90, we have to understand one concept here. So look at carefully, ma. Here I am taking a ray, call it as AX, okay. From this AX, I am rotating like this. I am rotating this AX ray like this. It makes an arc. If I continuously do that, it becomes a circle. So, but I am stopping here only. This is my 90 degrees angle. So, complete rotation is nothing but 360 degrees angle. So, look at here. AX is a ray. I am rotating like this and stop here. Now, look at here. So, it made an arc actually. This is an 90 degrees arc. So, from here, this is, now it consider this point is B. This is B, this is A. So, look at here, ma. If I rotate like this, it makes some angles, okay, like this. Finally, 90 degrees. So, let us take at the initial point, the angle is 0 degrees now. Here, the angle is 0 degrees. Now, this is 90 degrees. So, just take from here, rotate like this. Yes, stop here. It is considered as 30 degrees angle. Okay, it is my point C. So, and join this like this. It is B. So, B comes forward here and my point is C. Here it is 90 degrees. So, ABC is a right angle triangle. AC is hypotenuse because of this 90 degrees and BC is the height of the right angle triangle. AB is the base, as well as if theta is 30 degrees here. Okay, the initial it is 0, now it becomes 30 degrees. So, this is our theta. In the next, rotate like this, it becomes 45 degrees angle. Now C comes to here, this is 45 degrees angle and B also comes to here. Okay. So, it is BC is the height, AC is the hypotenuse, AB is the base. What did you observe here? This base actually here first. In the next step, it comes to here. In the next, it is decreasing gradually. Okay, it is the base is decreasing. Next, look at. If I rotate one more time like this, the angle becomes 60 degrees like this. Okay, it is now 60 degrees angle. This is our height. Here it is B. This is 60 degrees angle. Okay. So, again base is decreased. Okay. So, finally, if I continue like this, it coincides with this ray. Consider this is Y. So, this is AY ray, this is AX ray. Finally, it coincides with AY ray. So, this C comes to here and the angle is 90 degrees. So, our theta becomes 90 degrees. In that process, angle is increasing and the same time the height is also increasing. Finally, this BC coincides with AC and point A, that nothing but vertex of A and B are both coincides. Okay, A and B are coincides and BC, AC also coincides, because what is that? If the angle increases, the height also increases and the base decreases in the right angled triangle. Okay. So this is our theta. This is our theta now. So theta is initial, at the initial point it is 0 and B is here, AB is just a line it is. If I rotate like this, it becomes ABC right angle triangle, the theta is 30 degrees and next theta is 45 degrees, theta is 60 degrees and base and the height is increased. Okay. So finally the theta is now 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Okay. Now we shall go for sin 90 degrees. We have to find that 90 degrees value for trigonometric ratios. First of all, we start with sin 90, and before going to that, we shall write here AC and BC coincides and AB became 0. AB became 0 and AC BC coincides. Okay. That means nothing but height and hypotenuse coincides. In particularly, height is nothing but opposite side. Opposite side and hypotenuse are coincides and base is became 0 here. So what is the sin 90 here? Length of opposite side to angle 90 by length of hypotenuse. What is the opposite side to angle 90? So angle 90 is here, it is nothing but what is the opposite side actually? BC. At the 90 degrees angle, the BC coincides with hypotenuse. BC is nothing but opposite side, and here opposite side and hypotenuse coincide, that is nothing but what is the opposite side? BC. Length of hypotenuse means nothing but AC. So coincides means BC equals to AC, opposite side equals to hypotenuse, hypotenuse equals to opposite side. So it is AC by AC, these two gets cancelled, that is 1. So sin 90 degrees is, the sin 90 degrees value is 1. Write down here, sin 90 degrees value is 1. Okay. Look at it for cos 90 now. What is the cos 90 ratio? Length of adjacent side of angle 90 by length of hypotenuse. So what is adjacent side here? That is nothing but AB actually. At the 90 degrees angle, where is the 90 degrees angle? Here it is. At the point, at the vertex of A is 90 degrees having. So this is our 90 degrees. At here, the vertex A and B coincides. It means the base is nothing but adjacent side is 0. Okay, there is nothing but AB. Okay, AB is what is that AB value? 0, because there is no base at the 90 degrees, and 0 by something is 0. So cos 90 value is 0. Now look at for tan 90. So we have one formula. What is that? Tan theta equals to sin theta by cos theta. By this formula, tan 90 degrees is equals to sin 90 by cos 90. That is nothing but sin 90 value 1 by cos 90 value 0. So here denominator is 0. That means we cannot define the value here. That is nothing but tan 90 value not defined. Okay. Somebody is saying it is infinity. So infinity is not a number ma. Okay. That is wrong. So we shall not define the tan 90 value. So now cos 90, what is that ma? 0, tan 90 value, sorry, not defined, not defined. Okay. Okay, pause the video ma, write the notes. This statement is very important. Okay, as well as this values also, and look at the concept again and again. Right. We shall look at for next trigonometric values. Next, cot theta equals to cos theta by sin theta. Nothing but cot 90 is equals to cos 90 degrees by sin 90 degrees. What is cos 90 value ma? It is 0. Sin 90 value 1. It is nothing but 0 by something 0. Cot 90 degrees value is 0. Cot 90 degrees value is 0. Write down here. Cot 90 degrees is 0. Next, secant theta equals to 1 by cos theta. By this formula, secant 90 degrees is equals to 1 by cos 90 degrees. So 1 by cos 90 value 0. So this is also undefined value. So it means not defined. Secant 90 is also not defined. Right, next, cosec theta is equals to 1 by sin theta. By this formula, cosec 90 degrees is equals to 1 by sin 90 degrees. That is nothing but sin 90 value 1. 1 by 1 and nothing but 1. So cosec 90 degrees value is 1. Okay. Write down here, cosec 90 degrees value is 1. Okay, what is the concept here? Angle is increasing and height is increasing. If the angle is increases, height is also increases and the base decreases. By that concept, we have defined here 90 degrees angle for trigonometric ratios. Okay, right. Okay ma, look at carefully. Same diagram I am using here, but concept is little bit change here. So now we are going clockwise direction here, clockwise direction. So look at here, now AY ray is there, this is AY ray. So if I rotate like this, C comes to here, it became 60 degrees angle. Again I am rotating, it becomes 45 degrees angle, it becomes next 30 degrees, again finally 0 degrees. It means here our point C and B coincides. Okay, C and B coincides here, isn't it? Right. What is the concept here? Note. I don't note. If the angle decreases, then height also decreases and base increases in the right angled triangle. Look at that. So angle is first 90 degrees and gradually decreasing the angle. Look at here, this direction. Okay, so angle is gradually decreasing, the height is also decreasing gradually, finally height becomes 0. Height is nothing but here BC becomes 0. It means the vertex B and C coincides here. Okay, angle is decreasing here, angle is decreasing, direction is this direction. Okay, look at here. At the initial stage there is no B point. In the next, at the 60 degrees angle, this is the base here. Okay, at the 45 degrees angle, this is the base. 30 degrees angle, this is the base. At the 0 degrees angle, the base is increased large. Okay, so angle is decreasing, height is also decreasing, and the base increasing. Okay, right. By this concept, we shall define these 0 degrees ratios for trigonometry. Right, what happens here? Here the base and hypotenuse coincides, isn't it? This is a ABC's right angles. All these are right angle triangles. Okay, in this right angle triangles, here angle is decreasing. That means the hypotenuse is coincides with finally BC. So BC is nothing but height. AB is nothing but base. In particularly, this AB is adjacent side to angle. Where is the angle here? This is our angle. Okay, this BC is the opposite side to angle, and this AC is the hypotenuse. Here hypotenuse and adjacent sides are coincides, and opposite side becomes 0. Okay, now look at for sine 0 degrees. That is nothing but length of opposite side of angle 0 degrees by length of hypotenuse. So sine 0 degrees is equals to, what is the opposite side ma? That is nothing but BC, because angle is here. Angle is here. This is the opposite side. What is that? BC. Length of hypotenuse is nothing but AC. So what is the BC value of the degrees, 0 degrees angle? 0 degrees is nothing but angle is didn't start it till. It means the length of BC, B and C are coincides at the angle 0 degrees. That means BC is, there is no BC actually, it is 0. Okay, something by 0 by something, it is 0. Sine 0 degrees is equals to 0. Write down here, sine 0 degrees is equals to 0. Next look at for cos. What is the cos ratio? Adjacent side of angle 0 by length of hypotenuse. This is cos. So what is the adjacent side here? Nothing but AB. Nothing but AB. And length of hypotenuse means AC. Look at here. The base and hypotenuse coincides here. It means the adjacent side and hypotenuse coincides. That means nothing but coincides means AB and AC both are same. In particularly AB equals to AC. That means we can replace the AC value here. AB nothing but it is AC gets cancelled, remaining 1, that is cos 0 degrees is 1. Cos 0 degrees equals to 1. Next, tan, cot, secant, cosecant. Okay. What is that? Tan theta equals to sin theta by cos theta. By this formula, tan 0 degrees is equals to sin 0 by cos 0. Sin 0 value 0, cos 0 value 1. So finally 0 by something 0, tan 0 value becomes 0. Write down here tan 0, 0. Next, what is the cot value? Cot is nothing but cot 0 degrees is nothing but 1 by tan 0. That means 1 by tan 0 value 0. 1 by 0 means it is not infinity. We cannot define that value here. That means cot 0 degrees is equals to not defined. Something by 0 is not defined value it is. So cot 0 not defined. We don't know that value. Next, secant 0 degrees, nothing but 1 by cos 0 degrees. 1 by cos 0 degrees nothing but 1. So secant 0 is nothing but 1. Write down here, secant 0 degrees is equals to 1. Next, remaining cosec 0 degrees is nothing but 1 by sin 0 degrees. Sin 0 is nothing but 0. So 1 by 0 is not defined. So cosec 0 degrees is nothing but not defined value. So cosec 0 degrees is equals to not defined. Okay. If you didn't understand that concept, listen again and again. Okay.